Would you mind saying all that again?
This 7A's got 2,070 hours on it, over 14 and a half years. We built it, and Bonnie and I did, and we've had it all over the country. Had it to Alaska, Bahamas, daughter in New Hampshire, so it makes 2 trips a year to New Hampshire, so it's seen a lot of the country. So got a new Lycomie in the hangar, but it's running so good we don't want to mess with it. See, at some point we'll replace it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's a nice machine. We've had a lot of fun with it. Bonnie flew over, so it's my turn to fly.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.